stuff. Hey guys, so today I'm going to do my top favorite toddler products that I use on a daily. So these are products that I use with my 2-year-old Cam. You guys know Cam. He's 2 years old now. So these are products that we use daily and what makes my life and Cam's life easier and more efficient. So I'll start with 10 and go on down. Number 10 is his car seat. We got his car seat this year and we got the Nunarava car seat. That's the car seat that we wanted to implement after his the baby carrier that he had. So when he reached 35 pounds, that's when we switched over to this car seat, and it was still back facing. And then when he turned 2, we turned it around and forward facing, so now he can see the world. But I really love the Nunarava car seat. Getting this car seat, I took weeks and weeks to do a lot of research, just comparing all the different car seats that are out there, the features, the style, definitely the safety features, and just the ease of use, definitely with putting in your car and stuff like that. So this was the one that just came out on top every time that I just read lists and kind of did like my breakdown on pros and cons. So I love this one. I love my decision that I made on this. And yeah, it fits perfectly in our car. It's not too bulky, easy to put in, easy to take out of the car and put in another car. And I love the colors and the style and design that they have on there. So it really matched the interior of my car. So yes, I love it so much. Number 9, this is actually a snack, and this is the Goldfish vanilla cupcake flavored snacks that we use, or that not we use, but we give to Cam. We get to give to Cam. But he loves these little fishy snacks, and I love them because they're easy finger food. They're not too messy, easy to pour in a cup and bring on the go, or even just in the pack they come in. It's very easy just to pack it and go. So we discovered these fishies, I think it was this year. He doesn't like cheesy flavored things, so the regular Goldfish was definitely a no-go, but I found these and I brought it to him, gave it to him, and he liked it. One thing about Cam is that he's a very, very picky eater. So finding snacks and foods that he really likes, it takes a lot of research and a little bit of effort for me to get into, but I love that we found these snacks and that he loves them. Number 9 is Legos. So Legos are good not only for boys but for girls as well. I remember growing up and Inky and I having our whole collection of Legos, and we would make whole cities and towns and communities with our Legos. But we got Legos last year for Cam's birthday from one of our friends, and when we opened it and Cam started playing with it, we noticed that he immediately understood the concept of building the Legos and knocking it down and then building it again. So I love watching him play with the Legos and building things, and he really does like it. So I think Legos are really good, just not only for learning about building, but also really good hand, is it hand movements, or very good I don't even know what's the word to use, but really good with, I'll put it on the screen, I can't even think of the word, but helping them have really good skills with their hands. And one thing about Legos, and I'm talking about the jumbo Legos, not the little ones because they're still young for my son in particular, but the jumbo Legos. But the jumbo Legos, they're actually really easy to clean up, because definitely when they're playing with it, they'll be everywhere, but they're easy to pick up and clean up and put away. Number 7 is lotion, and not just any lotion, but Natural Essence lotion. So if you don't know, Natural Essence is my mom's skincare line. My mom is a pharmacist, so she developed her own skincare line a couple years ago. It's all organic, vegan products. Ingredients, safe, non-toxic products, no chemicals, but she developed this product line to help people that have sensitive skin but still need very effective products for to clear up their skin and to have really glowing and radiant skin, not only face but also body. But when she developed it, I actually didn't even think to use it for Cam. It's safe enough for kids and babies. That's one of the good things as well. But I think I never thought of using it for Cam when he was a baby. So one day when Cam's baby lotion was out, and it was baby lotion that I didn't even really care for, because I kind of noticed that baby lotion on the market is very watery and not moisturizing and creamy, especially for after bath time and you want to rehydrate, you know, your baby's skin. I felt like a lot of these baby lotions are just so watery and water-based. They don't have enough cream and moisturizing agents in it. But so one day when Cam's lotion was out, I said, let me just grab this natural essence lotion and put it on Cam. I know it's safe, there's no harsh chemicals in it, so he should never have a reaction with it. So I was putting it on him. I was like, I know this lotion is moisturizing, but just the difference of putting this type of lotion on your baby, I was just like, okay, I'm not using any other lotion again for Cam. Like, this is it. So it's like one of the things that is just like, you know, becoming a mom and like, you know, thinking of like all the baby products that you want to get for your baby in preparation. I like got really nice like Aveeno and like Baby Magic and Johnson & Johnson. There's so many baby lotions out there. I even found really good ones on Amazon, but I just felt like they were just all watery. Like they weren't moisturizing and thick and creamy. So yeah, so that was, you know, one of the things that I've discovered being a mom that I love and I implement daily on our bath routine. Number 6 is fall clothes. So definitely right now it's fall, but also I implement, you know, these items for spring and summer, but right now it's fall, but fall clothes. So Carter's and Children's Place. Those are like the two only places that I buy clothes for Cam. One thing is that they have really good quality clothes for really good prices, and Children's Place especially always has really good sales and clearance on kids clothes. So anytime I get a notification that Children's Place is having a sale on all their kids clothes, I literally like stock up. I'll buy like so many, I buy so many pieces of like pants and for the fall and winter, shorts for the spring and summer, t-shirts, long sleeves, sweaters, you know, everything on Children's Place, and I can get so much for not even that much amount of money, which is great because when I buy him clothes, I just buy it once and I'm done for the season. That's how I do my things. So I literally just have one day where I say, okay, I'm gonna buy clothes for, you know, this season coming up, get it in, and then I always plan out his clothes a month or two in advance. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my video that I did earlier this year where how I plan Cam's outfits for the month for school, and I actually have put out all the pants, all the tops, but the matching socks, I just group them all together day by day and then put them in his drawer, so it makes getting ready in the morning really easy. And I will do a video on like mom hacks and things that I do to just make being a mom and running a business and being busy all like efficient and like hassle and stress free. But look out for that video coming soon. Number 5 is puzzles. So this year we bought numbers puzzles, colors puzzles, and the alphabet puzzles. And as soon as we brought them in, Cam loved them. We didn't have any puzzles in the house before like this year. But as soon as I got them, because I know I wanted him to start, you know, recognizing letters and numbers and colors, I found really nice puzzles on Amazon. You guys that follow me on Instagram always see when I show Cam like at his little table, and I'll put a clip on here, show him at his little table playing with his puzzles and stuff. But I got them on Amazon, and also his table and chair set, which you see. They have them at IKEA, but also on Amazon as well, and I'll link those down below. But I love doing puzzles with him. It's part of our like night routine before he goes to bed. We do learning, singing and like word singing with like fingers and stuff like that, and then doing our puzzles, reading our book, and then off to bed. So yes, and I will do an updated bedtime routine because I think I've only done one, and that was when Cam was born. So I haven't done a new one yet, so I will implement a I will plan to do like a nighttime routine with like my toddler. I think you guys would like that. All right, number 4, I did mention it in the last one, but is a table and chair set. But I liked how I was able to find a really small, not bulky, matched my decor and like the aesthetic of my house, and it didn't take up a lot of room, and I put it in his bedroom. Table and chair set. And as I said, You can get it at IKEA or it's on Amazon. Very inexpensive, and what I love about this specifics that I got was that the top is dry erase. So if you have dry erase markers that you want to implement, maybe when they're a little bit older, because I know if I brought it now for Cam, the dry erase markers will be all over the wall and on the carpet. But the top of it is dry erase, so it's a good place to, you know, do like learning activities for like letters and numbers and stuff like that. So I do like the versatility of that table and chair set. Number 3 is night diaper inserts. So we noticed as soon as Kim was born and overnight, you know, his diaper would get really full. And I do have like night diapers out there designed for night, but there are times when the night diaper doesn't hold up throughout the night. So I discovered these little diaper inserts that you can put in the diaper that just adds another layer of absorbency through the night, and these were a lifesaver. So now majority of the mornings when he wakes up, you know, he's not soaked all through his PJs on his bed because his diaper was full. But these are on Amazon, and I also get them at like Meijer and Walmart as well. I'll link them down below, but I really like them because it's just so easy, more convenient, makes just the whole night thing just so much better in the morning, trust me. Number 2 is night pull-up. So this goes in hand with the night inserts that I just mentioned, but the night pull-up. So we actually implement the it's not the Ninjamas, Good Nights, that's what it's called. So Good Nights, that's what we use to put Cam to bed with the inserts. We just noticed that it's for his size and for his age, those work better than like diapers, like regular diapers. So we use the Good Nights pull-ups for like 3T, and then we put the inserts in there, and then we're good to go for the night. And then number 1, definitely for toddlers and helping them with their development, is a straw cup. And it's not just any straw cup, but a spill-proof straw cup made for toddlers. And I found this on Amazon. It was really cute, but it's a straw cup, so they're able to, you know, learn how to drink out of a straw, but it's spill-proof, so it doesn't spill. They have really cute designs. It's stainless steel, so it'll last, and it's very durable. Definitely if they're throwing their cups around and stuff like that. But not only the straw cup that we use, but also the Munchkin 360 cups as well. I will link that down below. And then also the Replay cups that we use for his milk. Those are the 3 cups that we implement in the house: the straw cup, 360, and the Replay cups. As I said, I'll link those down below. They're definitely easy to find on Amazon. Yeah, so anyways, that is all my 10 favorite products for toddlers. #MomLife. So if you guys use any of these, let me know down below. If there's any favorite toddler mom products that you have out there that I didn't mention it down below, because I definitely know there's going to be a mom out there that's going to love your suggestions. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.